No, man. No, wait. Fucking wait. Don't rush it. Wait. What the fuck is that? If you ain't gonna fuck me, sure say that it ain't gonna benefit you. Don't go be no referee and blow so many whistle. Plus me Dave and do what me do for you, say me this yo. Hey girl, just bring the pussy, come here now, see, say me miss you. To all the things set. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Pew. And today, guys, we are here with Denmarc Creary. The song is called Late Night. Another young artist. Big up yourself, me G, for reaching out. Big up yourself, my fam. I never listened to this song. I just jump on it now as I'm here with you. So I'll be reacting with you. Big up the new subs them. We have a lot of reactions to get through today. So I could just jump straight in it and see what goes on. So as you jump in, we see trust on the screen. Trust and the meaning. You see me? Firm belief in reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. So that is the meaning of trust, basically, just telling you. So, well, this song is gonna be about trust, I believe. So let's jump in and see what goes on, bro. Then I call him. No, then I call she. Okay. So everything is there. I'm leaving as much information as possible. Denmarc Creary, Late Night. Late night. Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm sleeping. Yo, this is like some grown shit. This is some big man shit. This is some grown shit. So kids, if you're watching and it's not your type of thing, it's not no drill, just turn yourself away. Basically, in MKR, basically, I don't know if it's gonna be a booty call at the end or this is a real true love. But the G, I think about her late night, you know, then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock a morning there when you can't sleep and you know, yeah, he doesn't want somebody to talk to or want somebody to come link up with late night. Let's go, bro. Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm dreaming. Can't sleep, you're dreaming, G. Wanna hang low for the night. Baby, let's go for a ride. Put your hair clothes, baby. Let's go. Let's go for a ride. Let's go. Like, where you wait, pan? Put your hair clothes. Come out to your dressing gown. Put your hair clothes. Come out to your house. Get some fresh air. Let your hair down, you know? You're rolling with the G. You're well protected out here. Don't worry about it, baby. Let's go. Baby, let's go for a ride. All the way foot to the floor. No stopping for you. Boss can sing. Him can sing. The video in a black and white, me like that. Like, me like that. Everywhere's closed for the night, so I'm closer to you. Wait, when's that? Everywhere's closed for the night, so I'm closer to you. Nice. Have a few things in my mind we could possibly do. Let me take out this bum buckler I have made. Only not trouble, though. Only not trouble. Let's go. Take off this bum buckler. Only not trouble now. Oh, make ear look away, but you know I think already. We not care. No, put it back on. Put it back on. Yo, no not trouble, you know. No not bum buckler trouble. Let's go. Also explicit, at least I am telling the truth. You need. He's forward. He's just like me. He's forward. You're not gonna beat around the bush and ask you what is your favorite color and what subject you did in school. They're gonna tell you what I'm up to. It's gonna tell you a late night. We don't have the time for waste. Morning soon light. People soon gotta work, so we can't do this late night drive here now. It's later on, so let's do it now. Right? Why you wait, pan? Yo, I like the song. Straight. Need someone. Shit. There's a reason why you know. It's all because of us. I just have you on my mind, baby. Tunnel vision, like when the boss think about tunnel vision is tunnel vision and nothing but nobody else. Nobody else doesn't matter. You see me? She and him, late night. Him want somebody where him can trust. She wants somebody where can love and trust. Them can build together. So it's not a booty call. The boss is really in love with she. Let's go.
Easily lose track of time, guessing. Late night. Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm sleeping.
That beat here is called the baby making beat. The baby making meat. Like that baby making beat, baby making rhythm. Yeah, that's the beat that you get. That's the vibe that you get from this song, dog. Like, you have to bang something tonight. You have to bingo. You have to bingo.
Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm dreaming. Wanna hang low for the night. Baby, let's go for a ride.
She really put on her clothes and come to the car? She really put on her clothes and come into the car. Like, the boss serious. The boss convinced her to come outside. Like, there's no bogeyman outside. There's nothing to be scared of. Come outside now. Let's go.
Baby, let's go for a ride. Baby, let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Yeah, me G.
Baby, let's go for a ride. Have a few things we need to act on. Yeah.
So she reach him foot, but when still up on the phone. She reach him foot, but she still. Is this some sort of twist to it? He might talk to somebody else or something? Cause she's right next to him, but he's still on the phone. I understand.
Arch where you get your back from. Had a disagreement, I was mad. Run. Could've stayed away, now we're back strong.
Are the same girl I'm talking to now? No, that's a different girl.
The disagreement, I was mad. Run.
Is that the same girl? Or a different girl? What go on in Harvey there? What go on? What the fuck are going on?
Could've stayed away, now we're back strong. Listen, baby, I already told you. All the more girls, they are old news.
He must sing to a girl on the phone, but a girl is right next to him. This will confuse my brain right now. Like right now. Somebody explain. Somebody explain.
Yeah, they all came trying to show moves. Had to lock them off, they all know you. You need someone you can trust. I need someone I can lose.
Girl tick still, you know? The girl, she, when they beside her, tick like clock, you know? She tick like clock, brother. She tick. She look good.
There's a reason why you know. It's all because of us. I just have you on my mind, baby.
Yo, I'm still confused, brother. Like, bro, what going on here, so? You singing to the girl with the beside of you, or you singing to the girl up on the phone? How much? Remember that the first part of the song, it's the meaning of trust come up on the screen, right? Trust come up on the screen. So, is there some sort of twist here? I don't understand. Or am I reading into it too deep?
Easily lose track of time, guessing. Late night. Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm sleeping.
There it is. Imagine a man there beside of you like that and singing on the phone to a girl like that, or talking on the phone to a girl like that. How would you feel in yourself? I'm not sure if I'm reading into this too much. The song bad, the video bad, the concept bad, but there's something I'm expecting to happen at the end.
Have a nigga thinking of you when I'm dreaming. Wanna hang low for the night. Baby, let's go for a ride.
Okay. Let's go. This I get sweet.
Baby, let's go for a ride. Baby, let's go for a ride.
What the?
Baby, let's go for a ride.
Wait. What the bumbo clot? No man, wait. Fucking wait. Don't rush it. Wait. What the fuck is happening?
You when I'm dreaming.
So hold on. She attack on the phone to him. How are the bumbo clad? Denmarc, how are you, brother? She attack on the phone to Denmarc. Denmarc have a girl beside of him. She in the house by herself. And a man walk in and she hang up the phone and put the phone on the pillar. How are the bumbo clad this?
Let's go for a ride.
No, man.
Baby, let's go for a ride. Baby, let's go for a ride. Baby, let's go for a ride. Baby, let's go for a ride.
What the bumbo clock just happened a while ago? What has happened a while ago? Hold on, man. Only not trouble, you know? Only not trouble. The video start, he might talk on the phone to a girl, right? He might talk on the phone to a girl. No, because the video in a black and white, I couldn't see if I the same girl he might talk to, it, them look familiar to me. Alright. The girl come out of the house, come to get dressed, come to the car. But him still a talk on the phone to a next girl. The same girl when they talk to. This confuse your fuck. Him still a talk on the phone to the same girl when they talk to at the start of the video. Then one girl beside him will look tick like clock. You see me? Tick. She look tick. She tick like time bomb. And him still a talk to the girl on the phone at the same tone of voice, the same conversation him still a have with her. Even though one girl beside him. So number one, your girl is because you have your girl that's right as and you talk to the next girl. Either the girl beside her you're a freak, or the girl beside her you rate her so much, then you can do whatever you want to do. Talk to how much girl you want to talk to. Alright, that is every man's dream, but you know you think already. Then, you talk to her, you basically tell her all the things that she want to hear. She'll listen. Then all of a sudden, she hang up the phone and put the phone on the pillar. And one man walk in. Yo, we need a part 2 to this video. We need a part 2 to this video. Guys, this video is the message in it. There's a message in it. There's a hidden message. There's a hidden message in it where needs to be solved, bro. There's a message that needs to be tell, so to speak. How are they bumbo clock this? Denmarc Creary, big up yourself. Brother, the production bad. Big up the production team. Who's the production team again? Yo, big up the production, dog. Big up the production. Big up the person. So the production, filmed by Manny Brown. Big up Manny Brown. Produced by Chaz. Big up Chaz. Edited by Denmarc Creary. Okay, you edit your own video, my friend. Okay. Yo. Nels and Anicia. Okay. Bro. Bad video, bro. This video needs views, bro. Like views. You can sing. The video nice and clean, but confusing your fuck. Yo, big up yourself. Pass for me, bro. Pass for me. Big up all the young artists and that's been reaching out. Guys, yo, right now, I'm gonna drink some water, cause right now my brain is fry. It's a simple video like that to smash up my brain idea. I don't know what's going on. Guys, later on.